Uptown Swing, level 3.
Yes.
Val.
And this is Bryce. And that was Tempo Plus. We started with essentially bringing back everything you learned so far. So we did our little blues combo and had you do all of those different variations on the swing out. And Bryce does a really cool thing on the swing out.
Down.
Boom, ba,
Kick step, rock step, down.
7,
Kick
8.
step. 3, 4,
This is-
5, 6, 7, 8.
This is what it looks like with a partner. So you can add that kick step there.
Sure.
Then we worked on that a bunch. We talked about different ways to economize and make your dancing to faster music easier.
Relax.
Yeah. And also a lot
Not
of
up
you,
here.
you want to get down while keeping as relaxed as possible so you don't go like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did a little rhythm. The straight version of it that just goes on each beat goes like this. And 1, 2, ba, 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 ba. You could do that. But then we like put a little bit of a syncopation to it and it looks like this. And ba, ba, do, ba, ba, da. You can do it in open. Ba, ba, do, ba, ba, da. So if you like ended up with a swing out, you can add that. Or you can do it in close. Boom, ba, do, ba, ba, da. So this works really well to fast music because as long as you do it clearly, you can put it in different places. And that's what we did. Whoa.